Okay, now let's recap what we did. We add node to the cluster, and all of them are now running in the app. Again, we add role, MSDTC role, it's running in the app. We have all the disks right here, 4 shared disks. One of them is MSTDC, it's not available. Disk witness in column, disk 1, disk 2, 1 and 2. Those are the owners. And again, we have this domain cluster, node 1 and node 2. All set. They are now window level clustered. We call this window level clustered. What we have to do is we have to install SQL Server and to make server level cluster. Let's go ahead, pull the setup file to pull the setup file to this from my local window. I have to go to setting and choose this one. This is the ISO file for the server that we for the operating system. Now I'm going to change this one to first. I don't have ISO file, I guess. I have to go to advanced. Let's figure out that first. Okay, now we're going to install the SQL Server. We have to go to the network. You can use any method, but I use the network. I already shared the file. This is my local network. I have the setup file here, right here. This is the setup file. I'm going to start from here. Okay, I have to run as administrator. Mount. Your account does not have permission to mount. Okay, let me figure it out. Okay, I just attach it with node 1. So now we can go ahead, open this one as a normal mount. This is the setup file. Run it, run as administrator. It will start up. May take some time. Let's pause. Okay, now this is the installation wizard. Let's go ahead and install. Then we are not going to install standalone. We're going to install this one, new SQL Server failover cluster installation. If I am the developer, I don't have a license. Accept license term agreement. Validate. Next. This is very much similar with standalone installation. The only difference is we're going to choose a virtual name. That virtual name will be part of all the nodes. Clients will connect with the SQL Server on cluster through the virtual name. May take some time to finalize this process. Okay, I just have one warning. I don't think this can let me to install, but let me try all the process. Next. I'm going to select the database engine. This will be automatically. If you need the analysis, reporting, something like that, you can install it, but I don't need them. I may need this one and this one. Next. Okay. Here is the only difference that we add in cluster. SQL Server network name. I'm going to give vSQL. This is my virtual SQL Server name. And I'm going to put that's the default. And next, I will add the network. May take some time, but have to wait. Okay, those are the roles in the cluster server. So I'm going to choose the available disk. I may not have those disks available. Disk 1, disk 2 are already used. It says that. Okay, disk 4 and 3, they are not owned by this local disk 1, so I may switch them to, let's see here. Now I am on the cluster manager, so I want to check the disk. What's wrong with that? Okay, I have 2 available disks, but let's see their property. I'm initiating the installation from node 1, but this disk is owned by okay, possible owners. Yeah, it can own by node 1. However, the cluster is on the host cluster is node 2. So I'm going to fail over to node 1 to can have, so I can have the disks right there. Select node 1, and just manually fail over to node 1. Current host server node 2, but I'm pulling or forcing the failover to cluster node 1. It may take some time to refresh.